All right. Hi, everyone. I troubleshooted the code. Of course, this happens almost all of the time. I had to check through to see where the error was, and I spotted it. The error was right on this line. It looked correct, but what we captured as the candidate grade was not with the int. We didn't typecast it back to integer, so it was captured as raw text. And when the evaluation was being done here, it wasn't done correctly. If we kept it in the previous format, then we will have put quotes like this around 1 and then something similar around 2. But that's not what we had in mind. What we had in mind was to treat them as integers. And to treat them as integer, we must have captured them as integer. So what we had before was this, and that was not completely correct, and that's why the evaluation kept coming out as, oh, we were not shortlisted. So I took another look at it and saw that error. Just this addition will solve the problem. So we've captured the age in integer, we've captured the grade in integer, we've captured the NYC status in text, and then the conditions are clearly you should be below or equal to the age limit. You can have first class or second class upper, and you must have completed your NYC. So if we run this again and then put 25 as my age, and I put second class upper, and I'm done with NYC, it tells me I'm shortlisted for the job. We can put some other extra conditions like I'm 26, I have a first class, and I'm not done. Even if I'm done with NYC, it will still not shortlist me because the age limit here is 25. We can test some other weird situations like I'm 29, I had a third class, and then obviously I should be done with NYC. But let's even make it weird that I'm not done with NYC. It will still tell me I'm not shortlisted. So this is the way in which you can have multiple conditions wired into your if statement. I thought I need to put this out there as an addendum. Pay attention to the data type that you are using in your evaluation. It can, upset you when something as minor as this is becoming a major determinant of the success or otherwise of your code. Thanks a lot. I look forward to seeing you some other time. Bye.